Concussions, contusions, sprains, and fractures are the most common injuries in men's lacrosse. The following pieces of equipment are used to protect against them. All players shall wear a protective helmet. Both the chin pad and the chin strap shall be firmly attached to the mask, as designed. All face masks must have a center bar from top to bottom. The manufacturer's warning label must be affixed to the helmet. A plastic face shield as part of the helmet may be worn, provided the face shield is completely clear. A tinted eye shield may be worn only for a documented medical condition. Mouthguards are available in a variety of materials, sizes, colors, and fitting options. They must be visible color other than clear or white. Proper fit allows players to talk, cover the upper jaw of teeth, and not cause discomfort.
The shoulder pads should fit snugly on the shoulder, and they should come off 2 inches past the shoulder. The shoulder pads should cover the top of the shoulder, collarbone, and sternum, and the shoulder caps must rest on top of the shoulders. The collar must lie flat on the collarbone, with the straps tightened, and the bicep pad sits high enough on the arm so it does not interfere with the arm pads. The sternum plate must cover the sternum, and again, the shoulder pads should fit nice and comfortably. The arm pads should fit snugly on the arm, as they should not be able to slide down the arm, but they should not be loose enough to cause discomfort to the arm. The elbow should be properly covered by the arm pad and completely covered. If the pad includes straps, secure comfortably for limited movement during play. You do not want to completely restrict range of motion, but you do want to make sure that the elbow is properly protected.
Gloves must have cuffs that go 1 to 2 inches past the wrist, and there will be extra padding on the dorsal side of the hand. Lacrosse cleats can have spikes that are either metal or plastic, but the spikes cannot be any larger than 1/2 inch.
The stick shall be an overall fixed length of either 40 to 42 inches for a short stick or 52 to 72 inches for a long stick, except for the goalkeeper's stick, which should be 40 to 72 inches long. The goalie must wear a helmet, cleats, a throat protector, and chest protector, but is not required to wear shoulder pads or arm pads. Gloves must also be worn, but goalie gloves have an extra padding on the thumb for protection.
All equipment must be certified by the National Operating Committee on Standards for Athletic Equipment. Go.
So the player needs to have a helmet that has a face mask with a bar in the center that goes from top to bottom. It also needs to have a chin strap with a 4-point buckle, and you want to make sure that the helmet rests about 1 inch above the eyebrow line.
Go.
The shoulder pads should come 2 inches off the shoulder here, and you should also have the biceps pad in order to protect the biceps. The sternum and the clavicle also need to be protected. So you have the sternal pad right here, and the clavicle is also protected by padding as well.
Go. Go.
Okay, so for the arm pads, they must completely cover the elbow. And then for our gloves, they must go 1 to 2 inches past the wrist. And you'll see more protection on the dorsal side of the hand.
Okay, so typically in lacrosse, there's going to be 2 different types of sticks. This will be a stick used by an offensive player, which would be between 40 to 42 inches. And then for defensive players, they're going to have longer sticks usually, and those are going to be 52 to 72 inches.